As you know, I'm currently working on other projects related to YouTube, but I thought I would do this as sort of a backdoor pilot to see if there might be any interest in a channel like this. So without further ado, this is Car Design Decoded. Welcome to Car Design Decoded, where we break down the design of the latest and greatest cars on the market. Today, we're taking a look at something truly special, the 2025 MINI Aceman SE. MINI has always been known for its distinctive style and personality, and the Aceman SE is no exception. It's electric, it's bold, and it's designed to push the boundaries of what a Mini can be. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this electric crossover so exciting. At first glance, the MINI Aceman SE feels like a natural evolution of the brand, but it also brings something completely fresh to the table. This electric crossover makes a big shift for MINI, taking on a slightly larger, more adventurous shape, while still maintaining that unmistakable MINI charm. The bold front grille, now more of a signature design element rather than a functional feature, is instantly recognizable, but with a futuristic twist. The slim, sharp headlights and sleek lines give it a more high-tech, forward-thinking appearance, setting it apart from traditional MINI models. The Aceman SE combines MINI's playful, quirky design with a more rugged, crossover-inspired silhouette. It's still unmistakably MINI, but the design tweaks give it a more assertive stance. The raised ride height and slightly more angular body lines suggest that the electric MINI is ready for more than just city streets. Take a look at those 18-inch alloy wheels designed to complement the car's compact form. They add a sportier feel while enhancing the vehicle's road presence. And speaking of presence, the flush door handles are not only futuristic, but improve aerodynamics, making this vehicle as efficient as it is stylish. Inside, the Aceman SE is a perfect blend of MINI's iconic design with the latest tech and eco-friendly materials. The interior is minimalistic yet functional, with a large central touchscreen serving as the focal point of the dashboard. The classic MINI circular display has been reimagined, now housing all of the infotainment features in a sleek, modern way. Sustainability takes center stage here, with eco-conscious materials used throughout the cabin. Think recycled fabrics, responsibly sourced leather, and even innovative new surfaces. The overall layout is clean, with a focus on comfort and simplicity. The driving position is low, as you'd expect in a Mini, but with more space to stretch out. There's also plenty of customization, with the option to change ambient lighting to match your mood or driving style. The 2025 MINI Aceman SE isn't just about looks, it's a glimpse into the future of MINI and electric vehicles as a whole. The car's design reflects MINI's commitment to being at the forefront of innovation. It's small but bold, offering the perfect mix of urban practicality and adventure-ready design. The Aceman SE combines the agility and fun driving dynamics that MINI is known for, with the benefits of electric power. You can expect a responsive driving experience, perfect for tight city streets or winding back roads. MINI has also integrated advanced driver assistance systems and smart tech features to ensure that this is as much about convenience as it is about performance. The Aceman SE is a perfect blend of the past, present, and future. It retains the iconic personality that has made MINI a beloved brand, but it brings in modern design, innovative technology, and an electric heart. It's an exciting step forward for MINI, combining efficiency, style, and fun all in one. So what do you think about the Aceman SE? Does it capture that unique MINI spirit while pushing the boundaries? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into automotive design. Thanks for watching Car Design Decoded, and I'll see you in the next one. And as always, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.